Welcome back to Future Concept Cars. Today we're diving into the brand new 2025 BMW X7, a full-size luxury sub that's pushing boundaries in performance, comfort, and technology. Whether you're a longtime BMW fan or just curious about what this beast has to offer, stay tuned because this one's special. Let's start with the engines. The 2025 X7 comes in three powerful trims. The xDrive 40i is equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that delivers 375 horsepower, getting you from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.6 seconds. If that's not fast enough for you, the M60i turns things up a notch with its 523 horsepower, 4.4-liter V8, hitting 60 mph in a blazing 4.5 seconds. But wait for it, if you're after extreme power and luxury, the Alpina XB7 blows past the competition with 631 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 4 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 4 seconds in a 3-row sub. But the X7 isn't just about speed. This sub is built for comfort inside and out. The interior is packed with high-end materials and features like heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats, and BMW didn't skimp on tech either. You get a massive 14.9-inch curved display running the latest BMW iDrive 8.5 system, plus semi-autonomous driving features that even allow hands-free lane changes with eye-tracking technology. It's like driving a piece of the future. Before we dive into the amazing interior details and why this might just be the most luxurious X7 yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature so far? Let us know. Now, back to the details. The cabin is nothing short of stunning. You can opt for a 6-seat configuration with captain's chairs or stick with the 7-seat standard setup. Every seat is a first-class experience, especially with the available air suspension that glides over any terrain. Plus, if you're looking for something extra fancy, you can even get Swarovski crystal headlights. So if you're in the market for a luxury sub that can do it all from high-speed performance to ultimate comfort, the 2025 BMW X7 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.